This is Arvind Kumar, working as a senior software engineer with Pitney Bowes, Noida. So this is brief presentation about my recent paper published in Springer. The paper title is A Digital Image Watermarking Technique Using Cascading of Discrete Cosine Transform and Bioorthogonal Wavelet Transform. This paper is already available online on this link. So this is brief, we will discuss. So if we talk about the image watermarking, so in watermarking we can embed a message in source image, and whenever any situation arises to prove ownership, the watermark message may be extracted from source image and ownership can be proved. So this is the process where this is original image and we embed a watermark logo in this, and then this is the final watermarked image. It is sent to some other source, and if we are to prove the ownership, then we can apply the algorithm and we can extract our copyright message. So there are already a variety of techniques of watermarking, and if we talk about this technique, then in this paper I have taken two well-known techniques, DCT and BWT, and combined this. So if we talk about the DCT, then DCT mainly decompose a signal into three components: lower frequency component, middle frequency component, and high frequency component. So our human visual system is less sensitive to the high frequency component and high sensitive to the low frequency component. So for embedding, most of the techniques embed their message either in high frequency component or medium frequency component. If we talk about the bioorthogonal wavelet transform, so this is a new compared to DCT, in which we can decompose an image into the four components. The first one is LL, that is called approximation component, and other are HL, HH, and LH. So the first component contains approximate information, and other components contains the edge related information. So in this algorithm we just we take the bioorthogonal wavelet transform of the original image, and then take the approximation component LL, and we apply DCT on LL components, and we modify the DCT coefficients to embed our watermark. The extraction is reverse of embedding, so it is a similar thing. And if we see, then we implemented this algorithm using MATLAB. Cover image and watermark both are taken in the JPEG format, and various attacks were performed to test the performance of these algorithms, and the proposed techniques has proved to be fairly better than existing one. So this is the result. If I talk about the embedding process, then the current algorithm, bioorthogonal wavelet transform, have the correlation between the original image and watermark image is 96.18%. Against to this, our proposed algorithm have correlation is 99.7%, and these are the other things like bit error rate and peak signal to noise ratio, PSNR. So in conclusion, combination of transform domain have proved to be better candidate, as we can use the advantage of multiple transform in the same algorithms. Embedding in the DCT domain proved to be highly resistant to JPEG compression as well as significant amount of random noise. The wavelet domain is also proved to be highly resistant to different attacks. with minimal amount of degradation. By combining the transform domain, we can utilize the advantage of domain to increase the visual quality as well as the robustness of watermark. So thank you. This is a brief presentation about the paper. Any query, concern, please send to arvind.kumar@pb.com. Thank you.